In this exercise, I'm going to be showing you how to do functional heel raises. So not only are you going to be focusing on the gastroc and doing plantar flexion, you're also going to be focusing on your tibialis anterior, doing dorsiflexion as well. So you're going to be pointing your ankle down into plantar flexion. So this means coming only onto the forefoot and toes. And then once you've done that, you're going to contract the calf, try and get your balance to the top, slowly bring your feet down to the floor, and then you're going to rock back onto your heels and you're going to come up and point your toes up whilst only being in contact with your heel. So the first part, we come in contact with the front of the foot, being the forefoot and toes for the calf raise. We get our balance and stability, and then when we come down, we do the opposite, where the toe and midfoot come and point off into dorsiflexion, and then we come back down. Again, working the back and the front of the calf at the same time. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. And if you was struggling for balance, especially a lot of people struggle for balance on the dorsiflexion exercise, you can of course always have something like a wall or a fixed resistance object near you for balance should you need it. That's how to do functional heel raises.